In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format exponents using superscript formatting in your documents. Whether you're drafting a scientific paper, writing a math-based document, or simply need to elevate numbers or letters for stylistic reasons, knowing how to apply superscript formatting can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this easily and quickly. First, you'll want to start by typing the base character. This could be the letter X, or really any number or letter that you're working with. It's the foundation upon which you'll add your exponent. Once you've typed your base letter or number, it's time to move on to the exponent. Directly after the base, type the number that you want to be your exponent. For this example, we'll use the number 2. So after your X, go ahead and type 2. Now here's a crucial step, selecting your exponent. You don't want to skip this as it's what enables you to apply the superscript formatting. Using either your mouse or keyboard, you want to highlight the 2 that you just typed. Make sure you only highlight the 2, as highlighting more than that won't give you the effect you're aiming for. With the 2 selected, let's now apply the superscript format. This part can be done in a couple of different ways, depending on your preference or perhaps what kind of device you're working on. One method is to use the menu options in your word processor. Go up to your menu bar and click on Format. From there, navigate to Text, and you'll find an option called Superscript. Select that and watch as your 2 becomes smaller and raises up to sit comfortably as an exponent. But maybe you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, or you're looking to save a little time. If you're on a Windows machine, use the shortcut Control and the period key together. That's Control plus. If you're working on a Mac, you'll use Command and the period key at the same time, so it's CMD plus. And just like that, with either method, your 2 should now be slightly smaller and positioned above the baseline, transforming into a proper exponent. Your X and 2 now display as X2. This little trick can really up the professionalism of your documents when dealing with mathematical notations or technical specifications. It's these small details that make a big difference in making content clear and precise. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. With these steps, you'll be able to format exponents using superscript with ease. Thanks for watching, and make sure to practice this method so it becomes second nature.